Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make bruschetta salad. It is one of my mom's specialties. Here are the ingredients. Pause the video here to get your ingredients ready. Also, we all love this bruschetta so much that we have tripled the recipe. Okay, so as you can see, I took a tomato and I'm just going to take a cutting board and a knife. I'm going to cut the sides off from the Roma tomato. And also we're going to cut the tomato into the half. So now we're going to take the seeds and the middle part out. So you could just use a knife and just take all the seeds. You could also use a bowl if you want to. So keep scooping out the seeds. And you could use anything you want to take the seeds. But I think a knife is a really easy thing to take all the seeds out. Okay, so as you can see, we're using Vidalia Chop Wizard. We're just going to open it, and we're going to take our tomato slice, put it on top, and we're just going to smash it down. It'll be chopped into a few pieces. So it should look like that. And you want to do that again until you have all your Roma tomatoes chopped up. As you can see, they're very tiny, cute squares. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a big bowl and you're going to pour all the tiny chopped tomatoes into that big bowl. And that'll be our mixing bowl. And you want to just mix it with your hand. So now, you're going to take basil and parsley and chop them up. And it should look like this. And where you put the tomatoes in, you're also going to put the basil and parsley in. So just dump it in. Okay. So it doesn't matter if you put the parsley or the basil in front, because they're just going to be mixed in the end. Try to take everything out of that bowl. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you're going to take olives, and that also you're going to pour in. And remember, these all have to be chopped. So it should look like this. And now you're going to take a green onion. They also have to be chopped. And you're just going to put it in the bowl. Now you're going to add virgin olive oil. So just pour it in. Okay. Remember, we will mix in the end. So now you're going to take garlic cloves and you're just going to kind of smash it to make tiny like pieces. And remember, it doesn't matter how you put it if it's on top of each other. We're going to mix in the end, so don't worry about that. And it is pretty easy to do it with this because you just had to just put the garlic clove in and you just sort of, press with your muscles. It'll come out. Okay, so now we could add some salt and freshly ground pepper, as per taste. We like to use pink Himalayan salt. So, yeah. So, you can just sprinkle that as much as you want, like not too much, but now you're going to take a spoon and you're just going to mix it very nicely. That way, everything is not like, okay, let's say green onion, you do not want all of that in one side. We want them all mixed up together. So as you can see, we are mixing it and making sure nothing is on the, stuck together. Now you're going to take some lemon juice and you're going to just pour it in. Now mix it well. Okay. Now put the salad in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before serving it on a warm baguette bread. Please subscribe to our channel if you did, like and comment down below. Tell us which new video would you like, and please share with other families. Bye!